So I spent $130 at Aldi, and I spent $98 at Gordan's GFS. Alright, welcome back to Vlogmas. And this video is a grocery haul. First up, let's start with these yogurts that I have. Pretty much Greek and FLINT firm brand yogurt. We have apple cinnamon, blueberry, pumpkin pie, strawberry, tropical fruits, peach, blueberry, tropical fruit, and peach. Hand me stuff. I got oranges. I got them some candy, some Skittles and Sour Patches.
Can that be for school?
Whatever you want it for. This came from Gordan. Here you go. The yogurt came from Aldi. The oranges came from Aldi. These came from Gordan.
Mom, what do you want? Our kids are Skittles.
Never had them before. Don't know how they taste. This big old bag came from Gordan's nacho chips. I got some bananas from Aldi's. Some grapefruit from Aldi's. I got some of these for myself, and Carlton got some from himself. No, there was 4 people needing them, but they're not here, so just set them to the side. I got these at Aldi's. Me and Carlton rolled by ourselves, and we started eating them. They are some shaped hazelnut, almond, cinnamon cookies with icing. They just okay. They're not something that I can get carried away and eat. I can nibble and I'm good after 1 or 2. I have some organic juicy pears from Aldi. I have red seedless grapes and kiwi from Aldi. This box is from Gordan. There is pizza rolls. They love his smoothies. I cut back on smoothies. Salsa to go with those chips that I like for a snack at work. And this bacon is already cooked. You can put it right on your sandwiches. But I like to stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and give it a crisp. These are some veggies. These have green beans, carrots, cauliflower, red peppers, yellow peppers, and onions. And some French toast. Y'all, my deep freezer bin went out on me, and after I threw it out on the curb, I realized that I had the appliance program, and why didn't I check it out first? Lipstick running, ain't it? Chicken nuggets. And my BFF was showing me these last time I went. She said these are good, so I am going to try them. Oscar? Could have pronounced that wrong, but that. Next up is, I like this so much that I went back and I got another one. It is a wheat berry blend with curry. So good. And it's actually vegan. So for my vegan family or my wannabe vegans or transition vegans. And then I got spinach. I have some celery. This is from Aldi. Zucchini. Roscata. Is that how you say that? That's something I'm going to be trying out. I never had it before, but I want to try it. I am switching to decaf coffee. I really don't drink coffee for the energy. I drink it because I like the taste. So I'm going to try to switch to decaf. Although this kind is not decaf, but it's pumpkin spice. So, box of mac and cheese I grabbed. We will be trying these candy cane Oreos later on this week. Here's my kids' sweet little snack for after school. Another sweet little snack. Some cereal that I will be having myself one day. Graham crackers. It's another snack kids eat a lot in school. Another box of mac and cheese. I think this, I only got one bag of this, so I guess I stuck this back in there. This is that curry. And I got 2 packs of these, which is pork, country style pork rib tips. I think that should look good in a crock pot one day with a little barbecue sauce. Kids can turn it off when they get home from school. I'm at work and voila, they just need to fix them something else in the air fryer to go with it. Next up, all the rest of the stuff is from Aldi, y'all. I have these cheddar and sunflower artisan crisp bread. Never had them, but I'm gonna give them a try. Some more decaf coffee. Some cheese crisp. Never had them. Sound good. I got some maple toffee oatmeal. Never had it, but sound good. And more graham crackers for the kiddos. MarMar, can you stick all this stuff in the cabinet for me? Because I got a mess. Extra virgin olive oil. Syrup. Grapeseed oil. Honey. Black beans. Enchilada sauce. More enchilada sauce. Hold on, I'm doing a haul. Tomatoes with chilies in it. And some agave. Y'all, with this agave and that coconut cream, you can make vegan whipped cream with it. From Aldi's, I have pomegranate. Next up from Aldi's is some peanut butter crackers, some hot cocoa for the kids, more hot cocoa for the kids. One is milk chocolate, the other one is dark chocolate. They've got Christmas cookies and the gingerbread houses at Aldi's. But the gingerbread house, I've done it before. I did it before where I had one gingerbread house and all the kids. No, because they got different artiste levels. And then I tried before where they get to do different little mini houses on their own. And it was just messy. And the houses was nasty overall, like eating wise. So the cookies is cool and easier, and I like it. And I got some fruit snacks that they can have after school one day, shaped with different holiday spring stuff. And pancake mix. I forgot to include the sweet potatoes in the haul, y'all. And the last few items is this mozzarella vegan cheese. I am going to be making a dish, y'all, with using that and some of the other ingredients. And then this bag right here has 4 cartons of eggs in it from Aldi's because they was only 59 cents. So that concludes my haul. $98 at Gordan, $130 at Aldi's for a grand total of $228. We can round it and say $230. That's what I got. You like this haul? Give it a whole bunch of thumbs up, share, whatever, and I can do it again. Remember, when you share it, tell them that I am just a mama for it.